Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya. Peace be upon you all. This video was made to fulfill the assessment for the English format course with the lecture Mrs. Dr. Laila Fitriana, Bachelor of Education and Magister of Education. As you can see in the video, we'll be exploring equation and inequality. This video will teach you how to solve an equation and inequalities problem. But before getting into the video, let me introduce myself first. My name is Selvi Agustin with student ID number K1323079, and I am first semester mathematics education major. The part that I will explain in the video consists of the first part, model and equation, the second part, problem and discussion about equation, the third part, model and inequality, the fourth part or the last, problem and discussion about inequality. Right? First, we will learn about equation. Equation have the first part is model and equation. What is an equation? An equation is a mathematical statement in symbol form that states that two things are exactly the same. Equation can be used to express the similarity of two expressions consisting of one or more variables. Equations are written with the equal sign equal as follows. X plus 3 equal 5, which states that the value of x equal to and x plus 1 squared equal 2x squared plus x plus 1. So an equation that is an identity. Still the same part, model and equation. Equation can be categorized based on the type of operation and quantity involved. The types include 1. Polynomial equation. Polynomial equation can be further categorized based on its degree. Linear equation, degree 1, quadratic equation, degree 2, cubic equation, degree 3. 2, we have rational equation. 3, we have irrational equation. 4, absolute equation. 5, exponent equation. 6, logarithm equation. 7, trigonometric equation. 8, circle equation, and others. Now, we move to the second part of equation. It's problem and discussion about equation. Brother bought 2 kilo of duku and 1 kilo of mangosteen for 12,000 rupiah. Younger brother bought 3 kilo of duku and 2 kilo of mangosteen for 19,000 rupiah. If a mom buys 4 kilo of duku and 5 kilo of mangosteen, then she has to pay blah 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 rupiah. Solution from the text. is, from the text, we know that they are both duku and mangosteen. So if we are supposed to cook equal D and mangosteen equal M, then we can write the equation. They are spelled as follow: brother 2D plus 1M equal 12,000. Younger brother is 3D plus 2M equal 19,000. And the last mom, 4D plus 5M equal blah blah blah. From the swapping of brother and younger brother, we get equation 2D plus 1M equal 12,000 and 3D plus 2M equal 19,000. We can eliminate the equation above. How? 2D plus 1M equal 12,000 times 2 and 3D plus 2M equal 90,000 times 1. So, we get 4D plus 2M equal 24,000 and 3D plus 2M equal 19,000. By eliminating or reducing the equation above, we get D equal 5,000. So we can substitute D equal 5,000 to equation 1. So we get 2 times 5,000 plus M equal 12,000. 2 times 5,000 is 10,000 and M,000 plus M equal 12,000. M equal 12,000 minus 10,000. So we get M equal 2,000. So from the equation above, we get D equal 5,000 and M equal 2,000. Oh, the total amount shopping is 4, 5, 4 times 5,000 plus 5 times 2,000 equal 20,000 plus 10,000. So the total amount has been for the duku and mangosteen is 30,000 rupiah. Then, question 2, problem about rational equation. If A and B satisfy 9 all over A plus 2B plus 1 all over A minus 2B equal to and 9 all over A plus 2B minus 2 all over A minus 2B. Then, the value A minus B squared is solution. First, we suppose that x equal 1 all over A plus 2B and y equal 1 all over A minus 2B. Then the system of equation in the problems can be written as 9x plus y equal 2 and 9x minus 2y equal minus 1. So, by elementing or reducing the two systems of equation above, we get y equal 1. Then, we can substitute the value of y equal 1 back into the first equation, 9x plus y equal 2. So, we get 9x plus 1 equal 2. So, we get x equal 1 over 9. Substitute the x equal 1 over 9 and y equals 1 in the interlacing, so we get 1 all over a plus 2b equal 1 over 9. So a plus 2b equal 9 and 1 all over a min 2b equals 1. So a min 2b equals 1. Just like before, by elementing or subtracting the two system of equation on the side, we get a equal 5. Then we substitute the value of a equal 5 back into the equation a minus 2b equals 1. So we get 5 minus 2b equals 1. Minus 2b equals minus 4. b equals 2. So the value of a minus b squared equals 5 minus 2 squared. So we get 5 minus 4 and we get the value is 1. So a minus b squared is 1. Question 3. Find the value of x that satisfies the following square root of 2x plus 27 equal x minus 4. So the solution, squaring the two segments of the equation above. So we get square root of 2x plus 27 multiplied this half equal x minus 4 multiplied this half. So we get 2x plus 27 equal x squared minus 8x plus 16. So 0 equal x squared minus 8x minus 2x plus 16 minus 27. So we get x squared minus 10x minus 11 equals 0. So we can factor the linear equation above. So we get x minus So, first, substitution x equal 11 into the equation. So, we get square root of 2 times 11 plus 27 equal 11 minus 4. So, square root of 29 equal 7. So, 7 equal 7. Is it true? Second, we substitution x equal minus 1 into the equation. So, we get square root of 2 times minus 1 plus 27 equals minus 1 minus 4. So, we get square root of 25 equal minus 5. So, we get 5 equal minus 5. Is it false? So, from the equation above, we can conclude the value of x that satisfy the equation in the problem is x equal 11. Now we move to the second part of further solving equation and inequalities. The part is inequality. What is an inequality? An inequality in math is a mathematical sentence or statement that show a comparison of the size of two or more objects. There are four commonly used math inequality symbol. They are less than or equal to, greater than, and greater than or equal to. Note, the sign of the inequality will change if a segment is divided by or multiplied by the same negative number. Next, still in the same part is models and inequalities. Inequalities can be categorized based on the type of operation and quantity involved. The types include 1. Polynomial inequalities, 2. Rational inequalities, 3. Irrational inequalities, 4. Absolute inequalities, 5. Exponent inequalities, 6. Logarithm inequalities, 7. Trigonometric inequalities, and 8. Circle inequalities. Inequalities can be further categorized based on its degree. Is linear inequalities, degree 1, quadratic inequalities, degree 2, cubic inequalities, degree 3. The next part about inequality is problem and discussion about inequality. Question 1. Determine the solution area of the inequality system below. Y less than or equal to x squared plus 4x plus 5 and x plus y less than 2. So, the solution, step 1, skip the graph of y, x squared plus 4x plus 5 and the line x plus y less than 2. First, y equal x squared plus 4 squared plus 5. We suppose that A is 1, B is 4, and C is 5. So, we can find out the abscissa P and ordinate P. Abscissa P equal to minus B over 2A equal minus 4 over 2 times 1. So, abscissa P equal minus 2. And ordinate P is function minus 2. So, minus 2 square plus 4 times minus 2 plus 5. So, we get 4 plus minus 8 plus 5. So, ordinate P equal 1. Then, find the point through which the curve y are. Take some x, then substitute it into the equation y equal x squared plus 4 squared plus 5. Example, x equal minus 4 after substitute it into y, we get y is 5. So the point is minus 4, 5. Then x equal minus 3 after substitute it into y, we get y equal 2. So the point is minus 3, 2. And others. So, for the line x plus y equal 2, then find the point through which the line R. Take some x, then substitute it into the equation. X plus y equals 2. We take some x equal 0, so we get y equals 2. So the point is 0, 2. And we also take x equal 2, so we get y equal 0. So the point is 2, 0. Next, in the slide, as you can see on the video, is it sketch the graph and the lines. The graphs y equal x squared plus 4x plus 5 and lines x plus y equals 2. After that, step 2, take the point 0, 0 on the origin as a test point that lies outside the graph. Y equal x squared plus 4x plus 5 and the line x plus y equal 2. So, we substitute y 0 and x 0 to the inequalities. So, y less than or equal to x squared plus 4 squared plus 5. We get 0 less than or equal to 0 squared plus 4 times 0 plus 5. So, we get 0 less than or equal to 5. Is it true? Next, we take the point x and y 0, 0 to the lines x plus y equals 2. So we get 0 plus 0 less than 2. So we get 0 less than 2. Is it true? So this is scan the graph of the solution area of the inequality system above as follows. Question 2. Problem about absolute inequalities. The question is the set of all value x that satisfy the inequality is absolute of x plus a minus absolute of 3x minus 4 greater than equal to 0. So the solution, first, we know that absolute of x plus a minus absolute of 3x minus 4 greater than equal to 0. The above inequality is equivalent to of x plus a greater than equal to absolute of 3x minus 4. So, square both segment and use factoring a squared minus b squared equals a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So, x plus a multiplied by self greater than equal to 3x minus 4 multiplied by the self. So, x plus a multiplied by the self minus 3x minus 4 multiplied by the self greater than equal to 0. So, we get x plus a plus 3x minus 4 multiplied by x plus a minus 3x minus 4. So, we get 4x plus 4 multiplied by minus 2x plus 12 greater than equal to 0. Because the variable is minus, so we multiply the segment with minus 1. So we get 4x plus 4 multiplied by 2x minus 12 less than equal to 0. So we get 4x plus 4 equals 0, equivalent 4x equals minus 4. So we get x equal minus 1 and 2x minus 12 equals 0, equivalent to x equals 12. So we get x equals 6. The set of solution to the absolute value equation above is minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. Question 3. Problem about exponent inequalities. Before we move to exponent inequalities, we should know about formula exponent inequalities. As you can see on the video, for a less than 1, the sign of inequality is constant. constant, and for 0 less than a less than 1, the sign of the inequality is reversed. So, let's next to the question. The power of x plus 5 over 2. So, we get 3 to the power of x squared minus x plus 1 less than or equal to 3 to the power of 2x plus 5. So, because the a or base or a real number is the same, we can use the exponent, just this exponent. So, we get x squared minus x plus 1 less than or equal to 2x plus 5. So, we get x squared minus 3x minus 4 less than or equal to 0. So, we can refactor to x plus 1 multiplied x minus 4 less than or equal to 0. So, we get x equal minus 1 or x equal 4. So, the solution set is minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. As you can see on this video, this is reference or source that I use to make or create material teaching in this video. So, the next step is finally the last season on this video. Thank you for attention and thank you for watching this video. But I apologize for any intentional or unintentional misstatements or action. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.